One of the business challenges that we help organizations solve is very inefficient planning cycles. They spend way too much time with very highly paid and highly skilled individuals, really kind of chasing their tails in terms of planning and forecasting, and not really taking the results of that and then driving the business forward. We solve this by, first of all, understanding all of the nuances around their different planning and forecasting cycles and requirements. And then putting that into a technological plan. The first thing that we do is automate all of those repetitive tasks. The things that really don't need to be done by a human, those should be programmatic and just be repeated time and time again by the technology in the machine. Then you can have your highly skilled and highly paid people focus on actually looking at the nuances of the data and the insights that have been produced to then change the course of the organization and make decisions. So one of our large clients is in healthcare, and they had about half a dozen different planning tools, everything from Excel all the way through to the most technologically advanced planning tools that were available at the time. They still had a whole load of people spending a whole load of time trying to mesh all of that data together, and very long planning cycles. In fact, the planning cycles went way beyond the end of the year, and really they couldn't use any of that data and any of those insights to make any course correction decisions within the organization. What they wanted to get to is to be able to sit in the boardroom and tweak the numbers and instantly see what they should do, and have the people around the table then make the relevant decisions in real time. Collectiv has a wealth of knowledge around planning and forecasting on how you can make it much more efficient and make real-time decisions.